welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethe uPhili Jokes indoda yamahlaya unjani futhi?
Not boys, man.
We good. Igame ya today ibona kanjani?
Tactically or emotionally, my brother. Angibuza iquestion engathi izokunika impendulo oyifunayo.
Yeah.
Because my emotions are kuningi.
Yeah, so like tactically, emotionally konke nje igame wena nje overall ubona kanjani today?
It came for me. I promise you, ngivuke vandaag I was very confident in the boys.
Sure.
And because I know that they can do the job. If we just stick to the game plan. Ngabona lineup, I was happy, sharp. First 45 minutes, ngaqala ngaba unhappy because the boys were not really taking chances. Canada was on our asses the whole time. And then second half, dog, wakhipha urile kwamoshakala. Bruce dog, awusitshele ubhifa yini dog ngibhifa ngentwana yethu. Why ubhifa no relay? Umkhipheleni.
Cela umbuze yazi.
Because when you took out relay, there were no chances created. In the last game, Relay was one of the youngsters, top youngsters. About creating my chances in his age group in this World Cup, which is amazing. Now you're gonna take him out. We are defender. We are going to Mexico mostly. Angas be going to game of you understand? So that's the emotional side of me. The tactical side in Miami, Canada had a game plan. They knew what was Bambe go midfield. They knew what they won't allow us to play because the boys didn't create chances, which means. So more than anything, I'm really proud of the boys. But I feel like Hugo Bruce, there were some changes that you made that didn't make sense. You understand? Ufaka le double substitution in 87 doesn't make sense. Are you hoping for extra time? How are you gonna win the game if you're defending Jayam? How? Bofuna penalty win.
Next.
So then, did you feel Dana? No chances created second half. We were better first half, in fact.
I think the reason why the chances were not created, as you said, we didn't have a natural number 10 because my I think we were, all of us, I think we were amused by that sub. But what can you say to the boys for the display of the World Cup?
Bro, more than anything, emotions aside, I'm sure everyone is emotional, but so proud, man. These boys made history. Every player they played for the badge. But represent South Africa. We were all outside minded because we love our nation, we love our country, we love them. They made us proud, man. So we say airport tina. Ngala wonke amapedi. Mawuzazi ukuthi ipedi ngicela ukuthi airport amathita mawubuya nibambise urile nombokazi ibele. Ngiyacela bosisi bami. I'm not saying Mjoleni. But I'm saying I'm proud of you, technical team, supporters, sponsors, everybody was behind the boys. Bafana, Santanda. Round of 32. Next time we are going to go and take it further. Round of 16 we'll be ready. Still upitwa ngene because we win AFCON isiqale lapho sibe right. Ngoba iMorocco ngathi izo.
Yeah. So njengoba uthi amapedi kumele abambise urile nombokazi ibele. Ucamba ukuthi kumele baye eEurope sekuyisikhathi manje.
No, 100%. The boys displayed amazing performances. But really, he deserves to play football at the highest level. He just played now at the highest tournament in football. He's ready, and I think he needs a coach who believes in him. Bruce Mnanyak, you don't believe in really winning. Umbokazi are the best defender in the world right now. Sure. Okay, name a defender. Name a better defender in the World Cup than Umbokazi. Van Dijk who? I'm a Liverpool fan, but I'll tell you right now, bro. Umbokazi. I tell people,
of course. Hugo Bruce doesn't believe in South African football because really his current the person in South African football. Current.
When it's on trendisa, Bruce we are believer. It's not Bruce uno coach ukuthatha amapanado. That's nyele. Respectfully, Bruce, because you have the right squad, but your decision making is giving your age. Thank you for all that you've done for South African football, Hugo Bruce. Sure. You've uthatha start World Cup and sizile vele. So ngiyazi uyahamba manje ne. But please bring in Pizzo, guys. Safa, kwenzakalani? Pizzo. Bring Pizzo, dog. Or fetch Benny if he's ready.
Okay, or who? Not Mkelele.
Uyeken Klopp, mhlambe.
You very it, Mzansi. Phili Jokes. Siyabonga mfethu.
Kala subscribe mapakaniya sayinile siyabuya.
Thank you.